Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
The surge is coming. That is what all the predictions said about the number of COVID cases in Mumbai. With the prediction of over 6 lakh cases by May 15, the number of cases obviously in Mumbai has not risen to as many. So far, there have been only 20,000 cases of COVID-19. And keeping in mind the predictions, the BMC, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, has decided to ramp up its facilities and number of beds that it has. Right now, we're in one such facility. This used to be an exhibition ground, which was first turned into a quarantine center, and then it is now being converted into a COVID care center. As you can see around me, there are 477 beds here. It's a massive ground filled with beds, oxygen tanks, and whatever essentials that COVID patients will require. Previously, we'd heard 1,008 beds will be prepared here. We see that the number is much larger than that. So what is the status right now? How many beds in total are there? How many are ready?
Basically, there are as per the last visit of the Honorable CM, the numbers are totally be estimated between 2,600 to 3,000, depending on what is available. So that's one part of it. So we'll have to see how that works. Around 1,250 beds are ready and ready for operational.
So apart from the bed, what all other equipment is ready, or what other facilities? For example, how will the food be managed? Baths, washrooms, I see oxygen cylinders. How did you procure them? What was the procedure?
So basically, let me tell you, this is one of the unique facilities in India where almost all beds are oxygenated, and plus there is an additional flow of oxygen for more critical patients. That's the first part of it. The second thing regarding the sanitation part of it, there is a hot water shower provided. It is on a 1:10 ratio, that every 10 patient has one shower. The same is for sanitation, that every 1:10 patient has a commode, and that's how we are doing it. In addition, we are putting up some distraction for them in this tedious time of putting up some televisions and trying to give them some area to walk and do some exercise and face the sunlight. So there are those secluded areas for them.
As the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation prepares to tackle the rapid COVID-19 spread in Mumbai, the Health Ministry decided to ramp up the number of hospital beds available to 1 lakh. Apart from the Nesco ground, the Mahim Nature Park will now also be used. It will have 1,200 beds and will serve as a quarantine facility for high-risk contacts of virus patients. Additionally, the Nehru Planetarium will house 300 beds. The Mahalakshmi Racecourse will have 300 beds for asymptomatic patients, while the National Sports Club will have 600-bed quarantine plus observation facility with 30 ICU portable beds. The Bandra Khula complex, inaugurated 2 days back, has already been designated a 1,000-bed non-critical COVID facility, which can be scaled up to 5,000 beds. It will also have a 1,000-bed ICU stocked with ventilators and other equipments. With Swagata Yadavar, this is Sonia Agrawal for The Print.